Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to dispute or charge on OnePay using an app phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap transaction or activity. This shows a list of your recent payment and charges. Now tap on the charge you don't recognize or believe it's incorrect on the detail page. Tap dispute, report a problem or get help. Now choose the reason for your dispute such as I don't recognize this charge or I was charged the wrong amount. Follow the on-screen steps and add any details if asked. Then tap submit. After submitting, you will see a confirmation message. OnePay will review your dispute and may contact you for more information. You can check the status anytime in the app. And that's it. You have successfully submitted a charge dispute on OnePay using an app phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.